This evening, I'm going to be discussing how do you make money from selling shea butter. How do you profit from selling shea butter? You see, shea butter is one of the easiest things to sell because it cuts across so many industries, from hand cream to soap and so many other things. It's used for body pain because shea butter is used in making so many products and every other is very versatile. And for something to be this versatile, it means it is highly very marketable. Now, the first thing you should consider when you want to start selling shea butter is one, the quality of your shea butter. Which source are you getting your shea butter from? You see, because shea butter grows from tree. It's a tree that produces fruits that is called shea nut, and the nut falls down and we process it into shea butter. And this tree only produces once in a year. It fruits just once in a year. In a year, it fruits between May and June, depending on the area where you are. It means it will be scarce. And because of the scarcity of it and the demand is much, despite that it is scarce. So people tend to dilute shea butter. They find alternative things to add to shea butter. So the first concern with you when you are selling shea butter is your quality. The reason we are looking for the quality is because there's some function that shea butter performs that makes your customer to buy the shea butter from you. So if I'm buying your shea butter, possibly I want to use it for my hair, I want to use it for hair cream, I want my hair down, my tangled hair, I don't want it to tangle again. I bought the shea butter and at the end of the day, there was no result. I will not come to you again. I'll look for some other source. I bought the shea butter I want to use for my baby skin care because it's very good for baby skin care. And at the end of the day, it's not working or it's not effective. I will not come to you again. I'll look for another source again. I bought the shea butter I want to use it for bone pain. I'm having body pain. I want to rub it on my body. And I come to you at the end of the day. It does not perform what I asked, why I bought it. It does not perform. I will not come to you again. But look at this instance. If you have good quality, you have undiluted shea butter, and then you give it to a customer. The customer use the shea butter, and within 2 days, it will feel the effect. Yes, you're having body pain, bone pain. Hey, I'm tired. I worked today. I stretched myself today, and all this stuff. And then you use shea butter. You feel relief from the pain. The same thing with baby skin. Next thing you should learn to this uses of shea butter, because that is what you will use to convince your customer and say, look, use it for this, use it for this, use it for this. If you have cough and catarrh, use a spoon to melt the shea butter, add little salt and take it morning, evening, morning, evening. Give it 2-3 days, the cough will disappear. That is how powerful shea butter. Elderly people, my body, my skin, I can't sit too much. I can't. Let them use it as cream, body cream. Let them even turn it permanently to body cream. Don't mix anything to the original. So when they use it and they feel relieved, they will come back to you. People are looking for original. Another people you can sell your shea butter to again to are pregnant women. During pregnancy, the body, the tummy, the stomach gradually expand as the baby is growing. So this expansion, when the pregnant woman gives birth, it's not easy for the skin surface to really close back again. And sometimes it leaves these stretch marks and every other thing. So during pregnancy, start using shea butter. Shea butter will not allow this. The stretch mark might be there, but to be so little, the effect will be low. So during pregnancy, start using original shea butter. As you use the shea butter, by the time you give birth, the space will be able to go back again. The stretch marks will disappear, yes, if you use shea butter. Another set of people that use shea butter is accident centers and everything. They are always looking for original shea butter, because they use the shea butter to stretch the bone. When they are stretching the bone, they use the shea butter. So that's another source of places where you can sell your shea butter. So now when you are doing your marketing, you give it to your church member. And like what I always tell my customers, don't just buy and start saying, hey, come buy shea butter, buy shea. No, you have to give people samples. They need to see how effective it is. It is when they have the sample, they use the small one, they will come back to you. Definitely. But like I said, you need to know the uses of the shea butter. I've talked about stretch mark, I've talked about bone pains, I've talked about hair, your hair, you have tangled hair, I've talked about it. I've talked about baby skin. You understand? I've talked about if you have eczema and pimples, use original shea butter. Please, it is only original shea butter that can perform this function, not any other one. So these are the way to market your shea butter. Shea butter is also used to make soap. They are shea butter soap, and they are very good. They are good moisturizer for body. If you use shea butter, your skin will be smooth and every other thing. How do you package the shea butter? For wholesale, I sell shea butter in 3 kg pack. This is the sample of the 3 kg pack. You see, this is custard butter. It's a 3 kg pack. Look at it. This is shea butter inside it. This is how I sell it. Now, this 3 kg pack, not everybody wants to buy this. because this is for wholesale. This is wholesale. So now you get a smaller containers and share this into it. No wonder, how do I share this add solid thing? This is, you know, this add solid thing. How will I share it? See, it's how do I share it? So what you need to do when you want to share the shea butter is, okay, fine. You are going to take smaller containers like this. Look for smaller containers like this, something like this. You look for something like this. See, this is another shape. You see, this is another shape I use for shea butter. See, so you can see the shape. You can see it's also solidified there. This is the 500 gram. This 500 gram, you can get 6 of this from here. You get 6 of this from this place. So you divide. If you want to sell in the 500 gram, you decide and you buy this. If you don't want to sell in the 500 gram, you look for a smaller container. If you don't want to sell in a smaller container, you look for another smaller container to melt the shea butter. Don't put it in the sun. As it's in the sun, it will melt, and when it melts, then you distribute it into your containers and then you cover them back. That is it. But please quickly take it